Howdy y'all, welcome to SlimSync. My name is David and I'm thrilled to have you in my kitchen. There's a myth that eating healthy means giving up the bold Texas flavors we love, but that's just not true. Today, we're making 3 Texas-inspired meals that are healthy, delicious, and perfect for weight loss. We'll whip up grilled Cajun Shrimp Skewers, Southwest Turkey and Quinoa Stuffed Peppers, and a sizzling grilled Veggie and Chicken Fajita Bowl. Let's fire up the grill and get started. First up, grilled Cajun Shrimp Skewers. Quick, flavorful, and packed with lean protein. Start with a pound of peeled, deveined shrimp. Tails on for a fancy touch. For the marinade, olive oil, lemon juice, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, and minced garlic. Whisk together. Toss shrimp in the marinade, cover, and chill for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, chop red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, red onion, and zucchini into 1-inch chunks. Toss veggies with olive oil, salt, and pepper. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes. Thread shrimp and veggies onto skewers, alternating for color. Don't pack too tightly. Leave space for even cooking. Preheat grill to medium-high, oil the grates, and lay down the skewers. Grill 2 to 3 minutes per side until shrimp are pink and veggies are charred. Remove from grill and squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top. Serve as is for a low-carb meal or pair with quinoa or salad. This dish is light, satisfying, and bursting with flavor. Lean protein, healthy fats, and a rainbow of veggies. Healthy eating, Texas style. Perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or backyard get-together. Simple, bold, and absolutely delicious. Try it once and you'll want it on repeat. That's how you do healthy, hearty Texas food. Next, Southwest Turkey and Quinoa Stuffed Peppers. A complete, comforting meal. Slice colorful bell peppers in half, remove seeds, and arrange in a baking dish. Pre-bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes to soften. For the filling, brown lean ground turkey in a skillet. Add chopped onion and garlic. Cook until soft. Stir in black beans, corn, and a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Season with chili powder, cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. Simmer until thick and fragrant. Add cooked quinoa, about 2 cups, for protein and fiber. Mix well, taste for seasoning. Fill each pepper half generously with the turkey quinoa mixture. Top with a sprinkle of reduced fat cheese. Pour a bit of broth or water into the baking dish for steam. Cover with foil and bake 25 minutes. Uncover and bake 10 more for a golden top. Peppers should be tender, filling hot, cheese melted. Garnish with cilantro and a dollop of Greek yogurt or light sour cream. Every bite is sweet pepper, savory turkey, hearty quinoa, and zesty spice. Packed with protein and fiber to keep you full and energized. Great for meal prep or a family dinner. No one will guess it's healthy. Comfort food, Texas style, made lighter. Dig in and enjoy. Last up, a grilled veggie and chicken fajita bowl. Big flavor, light and healthy. Slice boneless, skinless chicken breast into strips. Marinate with lime juice, olive oil, fajita spices, chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic, onion powder, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Let chicken marinate at least 30 minutes. Slice onions and red, green, and yellow bell peppers into strips. Toss veggies with olive oil and fajita seasoning. Use a grill basket or skewers for easy grilling. Grill chicken strips over medium-high heat, 5 to 7 minutes, until cooked and charred. Remove chicken, then grill veggies, 4 to 5 minutes until tender crisp. For the base, use chopped romaine lettuce, quinoa, or cauliflower rice. Pile on grilled chicken and veggies. Top with pico de gallo, avocado slices, and fresh cilantro. Add a dollop of plain Greek yogurt for creaminess. Finish with a squeeze of lime juice. This bowl is loaded with protein, fiber, and vibrant veggies. All the fajita flavor, none of the heavy extras. It's a fiesta in a bowl, fresh, filling, and guilt-free. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or meal prep. Healthy eating never tasted so good. Make it your own with your favorite toppings. Satisfying, colorful, and totally Texas. Enjoy every bite. And there you have it. 3 bold, healthy Texas meals for your weight loss journey. We made grilled Cajun Shrimp Skewers, Southwest Turkey and Quinoa Stuffed Peppers, and a sizzling fajita bowl. Healthy eating is all about big flavors and vibrant colors. These recipes prove you can enjoy every bite and still reach your goals. Let me know which one you'll try first, and don't forget to subscribe to SlimSync for more. Until next time, happy cooking, y'all.